Because much of the accounting is handled by the policy in AgencyPro, the dynamic posting can feel like a bit of a mystery. Knowing how to access the postings can help you to gain an understanding of the mechanics behind the accounting. There are several places to view the fine details of accounting posting. Let's start with the reports. Most agencies start by reviewing their financial statements, and when they find something questionable, can review the details of that account by either running the transaction detail by chart number report or going to the ledger and clicking the Access General Ledger icon, then selecting that account. Here you can view every entry against that account and see a running balance. Beginning users can use the transaction detail report to see the postings for a single day or date range to get a feel for how the program passes through the accounting. Here you will see every entry under every chart number affected, your client AR postings if you are on an accrual basis, and the ledger postings with their details and allocations. Notice how some of the transactions have brackets around the allocations. This indicates that the policy holds the other side of the transaction, such as the company commission payment. You see how the cash ledger holds the entire receipt, but the income account has several policies listed that in total offset the cash ledger item. Over at the client AR, you have the same transaction detail icon, but this will only show items if the payment was posted against a policy. Over on the Policy tab, the transaction detail is specific to the selected policy. From here, I can see all accounting activity on the policy. This helps if I have a company looking for payment that I think I've already made, or a rep wondering when they will be paid. You will see here the original postings, the client payment, the company payable payment, and the rep commission payment. If you are searching for a policy and know the policy's Inc. number, which is displayed on the transaction detail report, you can replace the link Inc., then double-click the number you typed and the window will refocus to that policy. There are only a couple of stops left until you are an accounting expert. Continue on to see how to record journal entries.